Guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Linkwarden. Linkwarden is a self-hosted collaborative bookmark manager that helps you collect and read, annotate, and fully preserve all of your bookmark in one place. So we're going to be taking a look at it and then see how it looks like and how it can be useful in our home lab. And as you guys know, this is not a tutorial on what to do. So I'm just taking a look at it, and hopefully you can discover something new and also try it out in your home lab. So thank you for coming along with me. We're going to go to the computer and then I'm going to show you what else I've been up to. So guys, Linkwarden helps you collect, read, and annotate and fully preserve what matters in one place. So the way it works, guys, that this place will help you basically collect all of your bookmarks in one place and you'll be able to manage them. So the best part about Linkwarden, guys, is that it's not just collecting links, it's also basically archiving them and creating snapshots. So we can even launch a demo here and then see how it looks like in a live environment. And as you can see, you have your links, your collections, your tags, and different pinned information here. So how did we install it on our environment, guys? We went to communityscripts.github.io and then we looked for Linkwarden and then we ran this on our Proxmox. So what I'm going to do is link all these links below in the description for you guys. And if we go back to the demo, you can see that you can actually put things and organize them as tags. You can change the colors of your collections and whatnot. We can even look at the settings and see what kind of settings we can set, such as display name, username, and language as well. So my favorite feature is that you can actually export the data and import the data when you're if something goes wrong, you can always basically have all of your information back. You have some access tokens that you can set up here, password, RSS subscriptions, and you can change different settings here as preferences. Now, if we go back to the Linkwarden here, you can see that you have some listen to links on the homepage, and these are different other collections that were created by the user. And so the way it works is that everything is very well categorized within the links, collections, tags, and you can also pin anything you want. So back to my own instance of Bitwarden, you can see here that I have a few links that I have added myself. And one of my favorite feature is basically the preservation of different links. So let's say that I want to see how this website was when I actually created the bookmark. And as you can see here, if I go to edit it, you also have the name, you'll have the link, and also the collection, including the tag. Now, if I go on the top here where it says view, you'll see that I have different preserved formats. And these include a web page, a screenshot, PDF, and also a readable. Let's look at the web and see how it looks like. I'm not going to download it. I'm just going to view it. And so this is going to be my offline web. And of course, it's not going to save the video because that's going to include a lot of bandwidth that you might not have, but it shows you a web page that in the preserved format. We can look at the readable. So it's going to look like this. And you can see the screenshot. So this is one of my favorite, and you can see that it shows you a screenshot of how the web page was. Now you can see here that it was playing an ad because of course it's not logged in with your YouTube premium link. So some of the information here might get lost, but you know what video that you took the screenshot of. And let's look at a different page here. So this is basically reddit.com, and I'm going to go and show the details, and we'll see the web page as it was. And here it's going to show you the preserved web page here and all of that information. And if you look at the PDF, we're not going to download it. you can see the PDF. And of course, guys, it's not always exact. Sometimes I do get these blank pages, and it actually works better when you have a basically an article and you have all of the information and you want to save that text. So that's when it works better. But you can see for the principle of saving your web pages and archiving, this works perfectly. And of course, you do have some features such as basically collaboration, where you can have multiple users with both private and public set of links. So also, for those of you guys who are running Raspberry Pis, you can also run this on a Raspberry Pi. So this is one of the best tools that I have seen, and especially to replace something like Pocket.com. So thank you guys for watching. I encourage you guys to check out this tool and see how you can integrate it in your day-to-day use or your home lab. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share. Anything helps to help my YouTube channel going. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.